Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin made that one more low that I wanted to see. Explained that to you in the previous video that it would look better still with one more low on the micro level. So basically 5 waves down in wave 5 of A. So I'm going to take a look at that right now. Posted that earlier today for gold members as well on Discord and Telegram. So yesterday we already highlighted that we had here, after this move down, basically, which started on Thursday last week, we already had 5 waves down. But then zooming into the micro, it suggested that, yeah, we could get one more low and it would take a break above 41,750 to minimally, yeah, to suggest that a low has formed in this A wave of the larger ABC structure in this wave 4. And so far, this shouldn't be a surprise that we sell off a little more. We are actually still in the ideal target area down there for this A wave, which I defined between 40,887 and 39,314. But it's important to adopt the mindset that as long as we are not seeing a break above resistance, that obviously the trend is down, right? And we print lower lows and lower highs at the moment, and we are simply watching for a reaction, for a first impulse to the upside, or a first, at least some kind of a move above resistance that would tell us that possibly this B wave has started. Now that the A wave formed another low, I will have to adjust slightly the resistance area, yeah, for the B wave. That will have to be adjusted as the A wave extends lower. But for now, we are not in unusual territory. So literally the A wave is only doing what the A wave is supposed to do at the moment, printing 5 waves down. And also within the 5th wave, we have 5 waves down. So ideally, this is not going to break below 39,314. If it does, then I might have to revise the wave count. And it could then be, if this last leg down gets too long, at the moment it's not too long, at the moment it's all within the defined parameters. But if it gets too long, then it might look more like an A, B, C structure already done. Okay, so it is very much possible that in this case already the A wave was indeed just a 3-wave move. This was the B wave, and we are in a C wave in 5 waves, which will have a similar length as the A wave. So basically what that means, a break below 39,314 could send it to the 38.2 retracement at 37,900. That's at least sort of a more bearish alternative. I wouldn't have a problem with it going down more directly. It might indicate then that this wave 4 will finish a little earlier, but we would have to assess the indicators and so on as we go a little lower. But for now, let me go to the 30-minute chart, because this is really where it's interesting at the moment. You can see here that the market dropped quite directly in 3 waves. We had this bearish flag, broke down. By the way, I can take out these trend lines. Okay, maybe I leave them in for now. You never know if it might retest or something. Explain to you that, yeah, we should see a move down into this ideal target area, which I've had on the chart. We are there now, not even in the middle, so we're not even very deep into this ideal target area. And yeah, I mean, it seems to me as if this 5th wave of a 5th wave is in the process of getting completed. Of course, it can get some squiggles down. And first evidence now with that latest low, first evidence that a low is in would be a break above, just extend this down, would be a break above 41,662. This would be a first indication, actually, first evidence that a low is in wave 5 of A. But for now, there's no evidence that it's turning around yet. There are a few more swing lows here, previous structural swing lows at 40,190 and then 40,490 that could provide here some structural support, and then 39,314. Somewhere here, I'd like to see it actually turn around. Let's see how it develops. If it goes a little lower, I will have to adjust the resistance area for the B wave. And yeah, but overall, no change to the interpretation. At least we get a little bit of movement after, you know, like the first half of the week was literally just boring sideways action. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.